everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Green Employee account. You can easily log into your Green Employee account and access your account online using your Green Employee application for mobile devices, or you can also open up your web browser and access your Green Employee account there. Simply keep watching the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Open up a web browser to get started. In the web address bar, type in www.greenshadeonline.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in this Green Shades online portal, click on this Not an Administrator. Click here to log into Green Employee link. This will take you to this page from where you can use your company name or your Green Employee company code in order to access your employee account. Once you type in your code, click Continue. Once you end up in the login screen on the next page, type in your email address and password associated with your employee account. Start off by typing in your valid email address and then on the next field, type in your correct password. If you don't remember your password, you can reset your password by clicking on the Reset Your Password link beneath the login option. Follow the on-screen prompts till the end to reset to a new password. After filling in your email and password, click the login button in order to get access to your Green Employee account. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.